Guys, naimbitahan ako nito guys, ha? Ito yung background ko, yan, naimbitahan tayo guys. Merong sports fest dito. Alam na to guys, masaya to kasi syempre, alam mo naman, hindi madalas na puro trabaho. Kailangan may kasiyahan din. Subukan na lakas, sports fest. Alright, bang!
Meron yung audio yan. Printing.
Video sa team. Hi guys.
Sige. Open nyo yung saka ano natin. Battle cry.
Hi, it's okay.
Hi, sir.
One, two. Are you ready, team? I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Anong sunod doon? Medyo may...
La Costa.
Oh, tindi. Ha? Ito pa, yellow team. Matindi. Oh, may blue team pa. Oh, diba? Eh. Malupet. Anong team to? Maroon. Maroon team. Green team. Green team with the muse.
Mula sa likod, paharap lang.
Sama ko lang kayo. Ha? Wala pa, sama ko lang kayo eh. Yepe. Wala! So guys, marching na kami. Kasama ko tong team na to, tinan mo. Yan, yung team na yan. Diba? Back to me! O diba guys? Kasama tayo sa formation na to guys. March up tayo. Sports Fest in the house. Maya, pakita ko sa inyo iba. Mamaya na lang. Sige!
Discipline and mutual respect across all ranks and teams. As each team proudly enters the flight line, they embody the values of teamwork and resilience that are essential both in sports and in service to the organization.
Let's give it up for our first team, our lead fighting machine. It's Team Green, composed of
Maritime Strike Helicopter Squadron 41 and Anti-Submarine Helicopter Squadron 42.
Up next, you know, it's Team Yellow, composed of officers and personnel from the Naval Airport Training and Docking Center, and the Maritime Advanced Aerial Reconnaissance Squadron 71.
And last but not least, the strong, stable and true, announcing Team Blue, composed of officers listed as personnel from the Office of the Acting Commander Naval Air Warfare Force and the Personal, Special, and Central Staff of Headquarters
Mag-start na
Naval
kami.
Air Warfare Force.
Kalamo sa Naval Air Warfare Force Sports Fest 2026. Ay tayong team na nanonood pa na magkikilaw ako sa lahat ng paligsahan ng may dangal.
Once again, the strong, stable and true Team Blue. For the moon, let's hear the chant of Team Maroon. Go Maroon!
Thank you for that, Team.
Green team, my man! Green team! Alright! Bang! Wonder na tumbas.
Dahan-dahan lang, wala yung ano, dahan-dahan lang, basta ano, para hindi tayo ubusan ng lakas. Dalawa, tapos ganun na ako kasunod.
Please proceed to Hangar 6.
Siyempre guys, nagutom ako. Kailangan may ganito. Boom! Back to me! Aros kaldo tayo guys. Makikain din tayo dito syempre. Nagutom ka na, makikain ka na rin. Okay, kain muna tayo guys ha. At dahil dyan, sarap to, paborito ko to Aros kaldo. Guys, chow down. Dami niyan. Oh. Kain tayo guys, alam na this. Let's eat.
Lihat na kayo dyan, ha?
Standby! Standby!
Higa lang, baba pa, baba pa, baba pa, baba lang, baba lang.
Yeah man! Bang!
Ito muli umiinit.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Tama kayo. Ako na mali.
Ayos yun! May legend!
During games, pag-flash tayo ng TV screen, makita natin yung live. Para pro players ng ML.
What's up, vlog? Welcome to my guys! Woo! Basketball in the house! Ayan na, pass break. Tira mo para sikat! O, di ba? Tira mo kagad! Ano score?
4-0, sir. 4-0.
4-0. Matindi ang laban na to. Close fight. 4-0. O, di ba guys? Sige. Mamaya muna guys. Mamaya muna. Dalawa.
Tira!
What's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. Ang saya guys kanina, grabe. Opening pa lang yun guys. Opening pa lang yun ha. So marami pa silang mga naka-line up na mga games. So basketball, mayroon pa silang kung ano pa, volleyball siguro. Sana makasali tayo sa ibang sports. Bahala na. So anyway guys, so yun na muna. Ito ko na tapusin. See you ulit sa next vlog. Bye-bye! Bang!
Alan the Feel, I'm in the house.